Welcome guys to my channel. We are here for 2 point perspective. Let's understand why there was a need of a 2 point perspective first. Earlier in 1 point perspective, we have established that if we want to make a realistic sketch of a train track, then you can do this. That all the lines coming from train off will merge into this vanishing point. Now in 2 point perspective there are two of these vanishing points. So if we ignore all this 2.2 vanishing points and 2 point perspective theory, then you will remember in your earlier education teacher used to tell you about a hut you have to make. Then you will try to make it like this. This was your hut. Something like that. There is no perspective, there is no scaling. Scaling is another topic, we will discuss it later. So if we will do this, then and you and try to show it to your client that you have made this house for them, they will laugh at you and they will not take you seriously. They will go to someone whose drawings will have some perspective in it. Perspective means will have some realism in it. Perspective make real things. Now the same hut we will make in 2 point perspective. So what will I do is we'll try to establish 2 point perspective now. Something like that. It's not a great hut, I know. I'm not an architect, so I'm just trying to establish a point here about 2 point perspective. So the same hut is now somewhat looks real. Okay, now some shadow here, and here is your one hut, here is your another hut. Now your client will agree to make this but not this. So this is why we need a 2 point perspective. When you are an artist, then there is no need, there is need to learn about perspective and all, but there is no need to follow them all. You can see it in cubism of Mr. Picasso, that he ignored all the previous knowledge of art to make the masterpiece. But in professionalism we have to stick to the technicals of a drawing. So let's go to the technical part. Now we have a horizon line now, and we will have two vanishing point on it because it's 2 point perspective. We will try to make a box now, and you are in front of that box, which means that your eyes is here and your box is in front of you. So how your box will appear now? Let's see. Your box will look like this. Something like that. You will see both these sides, but not upper, not below, because you are at the center of the horizon line and the box is here. This is how I made this box. Okay, all right. Now suddenly this box and this line, this eye decides to go up above here, and the box is at same place, it's down somewhere here. Okay, the box is at same place. Now if the box is eyes above your horizon line and you can see the upper part, then we have no choice but to do this. We will, because horizontal line will always be here, but your box is below your eye. Your eyes is here and your box will be here. Okay, now in perspective we will try to make it like this. Okay, sorry, we will first make a line, then we will join these lines to these two vanishing points. We have decided all the lines of this box. How long is the box? Straight line will always be straight because we are not in third perspective, we are in two perspective. So this is your new box. This is how the box will look when you are in two point perspective and you are looking from above, and suddenly you try to same box when you try to look it from below, then your box will go up, your horizon line will go down, you will make a line. This is your new kind of box now. Sorry, points. Okay, this is your new box. You are looking from here, always looking from here. In actual life your box is in somewhere above you and you are looking from here. Okay, in actual life, and technical terms, here is your horizon line and the vanishing point will something like that. Vanishing point will do something like that. Okay, I hope you understand the 2-point perspective now. Let's take another example now. Two pictures of the same kind of art. This art is made by someone, I don't know, I picked it up from Google. Okay, sorry about this. Yes, this is the art. Look at these both art drawings. This has no perspective in it, this has perspective in it, which is 2 point. There are two vanishing point here, a horizon line, and your eye is just here looking at it. You can see stuff from this direction, you can see stuff from this direction, but not from above, not of below, because your eye level is at horizon line. Horizon line is your eye level actually, so don't be confused with that. Right now it's at okay, once your eye moves above somewhere here, your horizontal line will be there, your two vanishing point will be there, then this thing will come down, the house will come down. So we will make it like this. Let me decrease the opacity of this thing. Now we will draw something when vanishing point is here, your eye level is above this point, so this comes downward. We will do something like this, everything will come like this, because the 2 points, now we can see everything. Everything, something like that will be made when we are above the eye level. something like this will be made. This is the house. No, no. You will see upper part more than the below part. You can ask me any question about this. I don't know if I was able to make sure that you understand the 2-point perspective, so I will improve as we go ahead. Thank you very much.